Hey everybody, it's me RJ. Today we're going to replace sun visors in a second generation Dodge Ram 97, okay? First thing we're going to do here, I just realized these are different colors, the arms.
Oh, are they?
Just the arms, yep, they're black. I don't care.
They're
Alright.
like grayish. Or are they black?
They're black.
Oh, they are. That's weird.
So, because the truck was black maybe?
I don't know.
We
That's
don't
weird.
know, but this is another step in our Dodge Ram transformation. As you can see, it needs some work run to the visors, the whole
ceiling. Drop ceiling.
No.
Cloth ceiling.
No. Headliner.
There you go.
Okay. As you can see, this one really isn't that bad, but hers is bad. But we got it for the same, you know. Look, it's kind of gross. Look at these bad boys. $5 at the junk is yard. Okay. Boom, boom. It's a lot better. The cloth is in better condition too, of like where these I tried to clean it and it like rubbed through, whereas this could handle a little cleaning, light cleaning, and not rip to shreds. So, does this turn? Yes, it does. Okay. It's just Phillips screwdrivers all you need. I just lost a screw in my pants. In my pants. Got the extras from doing it. I'm gonna just 3 screws, and I mean, like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but like it's kind of dirty up there, but this was kind of dirty, and bam, it's like, hey, I look better immediately. So beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. How can I not find the hole? I'm having trouble finding the hole. That's what she said. That's what she said. We gonna have something. We gonna have something. No, just these screws just came out of here. There we go. We get 2 of them. I should be able to get the 3rd one afterwards. Okay. You see the screw? There it is. Weirdo. Weirdo. There we go. Move this out of the way. Alright, it's really that simple. And look how clean. Oh, it's still dirty too. I didn't realize. Was it dirty the whole time or was that for my hands?
I don't know.
Was it that dirty before?
I don't know.
Did I do that? My hands are dirty?
I don't know.
I don't think I did, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
I almost want to put that one back in. This side looks great. I think I did that, didn't I? No. So is that dirty? And it's got tires. How did we not notice that? This is the one I took off, right?
No, this is it.
Okay, this is the one for that side?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Turn around.
Okay. Well, this looks way better than that one. All right.
It just doesn't have a mirror.
We might take this one back down. I don't know. The fabric's junky in mine, but that one...
And keep it for now and whenever we go back next time.
Right? I mean, the fabric's eaten up, but... Look how dirty that was. I didn't even notice it when I got it. How did I not see that? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Try to make sure you don't pull one down that's all junky. It's stupid. I'm coming to the other side. You can crawl over or something.
We were maybe going to buy covers for... I didn't think it had a tear in it.
I didn't think it had any of that, unless I just didn't. But it was just sitting on my lap. Look. It's clean. If all of a sudden it's not clean, we know we got
We were going to buy covers for them anyway.
a monster in here. Yeah, but look how dirty that is. Hopefully I can clean it off.
These are ambidextrous or whatever they're called.
No, they're not.
Okay, yeah.
No.
No?
No. No. No.
They look like they can go on
No.
both sides.
No, no, no. Alright, well, hey. When you pull ones out next time, make sure you don't pull a dirty one. I think I just got excited pulling this one and pulled the other one thinking it was good. It's great on the other side. That's why it was probably down. Look.
Oh.
Looks great. And
Yeah.
I didn't look under. Don't know. Well, my seats are a lot better. I'm gonna show you that in a few minutes here.
Are we doing the seats?
Yeah. Y'all hear that? That's the cam person. You know how many times I'm like, shh, cam person's crabby.
I didn't say that. I just asked.
We have to use a truck. What? I don't want seats just sitting in my garage.
Drop the screw.
Every time I'm dropping this stuff. What's going on? Tired. Wait a minute. If this one's dirty and torn, then we know we got a goblin.
Oh, yeah, it's like over here, too.
I know. I think it was, and we just didn't notice it. We didn't pay attention. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Grab that. Click it up there. Otherwise, make it worse if I'm trying to put them back in. Oh.
Yeah, you're making it all dirty with your hand.
Is it? Is it getting dirty on this one?
Yeah.
No. You're wrong.
No. It was clean.
That one was, it wasn't that clean. It had some marks. Alright, so there we go. I'm trying to get these in the right spot. I gotta find that bolt that dropped. So that's it. I mean, the bolts. Make sure you don't have tears and stuff in your thing before you put them back up, because you look like an idiot. Alright? There we go. As always, I'm RJ. See you today, each and every day. Bye-bye.